Hi guys! So today I'm going to open an exciting package. I ordered the Acoustic EP by Pvris in this limited edition color, and yeah, I received it and I'm going to open it on camera because I think it is really exciting and I just want to share it with you guys. And I showed you my vinyl collection and I'm going to show you all the upcoming vinyls that I'm going to buy and stuff. So this will be a nice opportunity to show you a new member of my vinyl collection. This is what the package looks like. It's just standard when I order vinyls online. It always comes in a cardboard box. Well, mine have at least. But I am going to open this right now. I have a knife to open the package. They always glue these things together really well. This is what it looks like now when I open it first. This is what the vinyl looks like. It's just a 10-inch acoustic EP by Pvris, their acoustic EP. These are the songs that are on it. So there are 4 songs on this EP: Waking Up, Demon Limbs, Mind Over Matter, and Only Love. All acoustic, obviously, because it's an acoustic EP. I'm going to open it so I can show you the vinyl itself because it's a limited edition color. So it has a wide sleeve, just like regular vinyls, and wow, this is what the vinyl looks like. It's just black vinyl with blue and orangey splatters, white splatters, gray splatters, but it looks really nice. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So I bought this vinyl off of the Pvris official website. The vinyl itself was $9.99, but the shipping was $12.89, so the total was €22.48. It kind of sucked that the shipping was more expensive than the vinyl itself, but I really wanted this because it was pretty and I really like the songs that are on it. You should definitely check them out. I will link a playlist with all these songs down below so you can check them out if you don't know Pvris already. I don't know exactly how many copies there are made of this exact vinyl. I can't even find it online anymore. But yeah, I know it was limited edition and it was sold out in about an hour or so. So I'm really lucky that I saw it in time so I could order it. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. I'm sorry you can't get this anymore, but I still wanted to share this happy moment when I unboxed this vinyl. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave comments down below if you want, subscribe if you want. Definitely check out my other videos. I also have a concert vlog of the Pvris gig past November, I think it was, so I leave that one down below as well. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!